I drop the pen. Drop the pen. I kick the ball. Kick the ball. I hit the ball. I hit the. I go upstairs.
I go
Upstairs. I go downstairs.
I go
downstairs. I bend down. I bend down. I shake my head. I shake my head. I nod my head. I nod my head. I wave my hand. I wave my hand. I hold the phone. I hold the phone. I give the book. I give the book. I take the key. I take the key. I enter the room. I enter the room. I leave the house. I leave the house. I change direction. I change direction. I cross the street. I cross the street. I step forward. I step forward. I jump over the box. I jump over the box. I jump on one foot.
I jump
On
one
foot.
I go to school by bus. I go to school by bus.
I move my body slowly. I move my body slowly. I stop and wait here. I stop and wait here.
Hello, welcome to my channel, English for Beginners. If you enjoy learning English in a simple and fun way, please subscribe to the channel.
And don't forget to press the bell button
so you don't miss more videos like this. We hope this lesson was helpful. See you next time.